Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 162 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. All right. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and kind of see where we started versus where we're at now. Okay. So we made it to day number 162. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Now, this is My Legion Secret, guys. My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200, is going to be how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So if you have only one account, you're only going to have 100 leads. Okay. If you have two accounts, you're going to have 200 leads on one and then 100 on the other. And then once you get a sign up underneath your last account, you will get 200 leads in that account. So you'll have 200 leads on the first one, 200 on the second one, and then 100 on your third one. And if you keep stacking your accounts, okay, you'll get 200 across the board. Okay. So that's how you would do it. First, you would sign up underneath someone, and then you would stack your own accounts by signing up underneath yourself. Okay. So your first account, you're not going to be able to sign up underneath yourself, obviously, because you don't have an account. But once you sign up, then you'll be able to use your own affiliate link to sign up under your account, and you just stack those accounts. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over 3 years now. Okay, I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay, now the only thing is that this traffic is cold traffic. Okay, so these people have no idea who you are, and they do have to get warmed up to you and warmed up to your offer before they decide to purchase from you. Okay, so just wanted to let that be known. Okay, this is just not a type of solo ad traffic where you can go spend some money, send out an email, and then get sales, very quickly and make hundreds of dollars. Okay, that's not what this is. This is more of a cold traffic list of subscribers that you will get on your list. Okay, now every account you're going to be able to accumulate thousands and thousands of leads. Okay, and the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that those leads are going to be able to stay with you. Okay. So if you have one account, you can build up thousands and thousands. You have another account, you can get thousands and thousands of subscribers in that one. And then eventually, if you have multiple accounts, you're going to have, over 1 million subscribers one of these days. Okay. So I just wanted to put that out there, guys. That's how kind of this My Legion Secret works. You stack your accounts and then you come in and you send out emails in these accounts every single day. Okay. Now, me myself, I have about 8 different accounts. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out emails every single day. And me personally, I like sending out my emails at night. I used to send them out early in the morning when I wake up, but I do like sending them at night because I do other make money online opportunities, all different programs and things like that that I do throughout the day. So at night, I could set aside 5 to 10 minutes to send these emails out. Okay, it's very easy to do. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what the back office would look like. This is what it would look like if you were to get started. Your back office is going to look identical to this. Okay. The only different thing is going to be your affiliate link versus mine. Okay. Obviously, we're going to have different affiliate links and also the emails that you send out versus what I send out. All right. So there's going to be two ways to make money, two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one is promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally go to the mailing system right here is where you will send out all your emails and you can create an email for the My Legion Secret. Insert your affiliate link in the email, okay, and then click send. Okay, that email will go out to however many subscribers that you have in your back office. All right. So pretty much all you would have to do is come here if you want to go ahead and get started with that. You can go to affiliates tab, click on the promo tab, promo tools, come down here and there's going to be some pre-written emails that are already ready for you. Okay, you don't even have to come up with them. Okay, you can just simply import these emails into the mailing system. All right, so they have about 10 different ones that you can use. So let's just say, for instance, we wanted to pick this email right here. So we would just click on import email. What that's going to do is going to take you to the mailing system and it's going to import your email. So you want to click on select all, and that's going to transfer all of your leads over to the right here, and it's going to get them ready. So right here, we have a subject line. And then also, if you come down here, we got a body of text. Okay. Click on perfect timing. If you scroll down, you're going to be able to see your affiliate link right here. And then all you have to do is come down here and click on send. Boom. It's just that easy, guys, to send out an email in the My Legion Secret system promoting My Legion Secrets. Okay. So once our prospects click on this link, it's going to take them to our landing page. And our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. It has a built-in follow-up sequence. So once the customer puts in their email, they'll get hit with emails every single day until they actually sign up with this, and we'll get the credit for it. So it's super awesome, guys. All right. So that's going to be one popular way to make money with the My Legion Secret System. The other way is by using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of different CPA networks that you guys can go to and grab the business opportunity offers, create emails, and then come here to the mailing system and then send those emails out, guys. It's super easy to do and it's very effective if done correctly. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's going to be the second way that you're going to make money with the mailing system is by promoting another affiliate network. Okay. Now there's going to be three different ways that you can send out an email in the My Legion Secrets. Okay. Number one is to create an email. Okay. If you're good at creating emails and creating ad copy, go to a notepad and just start writing out an email. If you're really good, insert the business opportunity offer, your affiliate link for whatever offer that you're promoting. You're going to promote that in, you're going to put that into the email. That way, when you're sending this email out, your prospect is going to read it and then they're going to click on your link. Excuse me. And their excuse me, and your affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So that's going to be one way to send out an email. The next way is going to be using a email service, email AI or chat GPT. You literally go there and you have it create you an email, okay, based on the business opportunity that you're promoting. Okay. Now, also the third way is going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor at whatever network, affiliate network place that you're at. Okay. Like say for instance, if you guys wanted to get started with ClickBank, ClickBank is a free service. Takes you less than 5 minutes to get started. I don't have any links to promote to you guys or anything like that. Just simply go to clickbank.com, get started. There in the e-business, e-marketing section, there's going to be like about 3 or 4 offers that I would recommend you guys promoting. Okay, pick one of those offers, and then if you go to the affiliates tab of those offers, there's going to be 20 free email swipes that you're going to be able to use, and that's where I would start off first. Is using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, and those emails are there for a reason because they convert really well and they work. Okay. So I would recommend you guys signing up for the ClickBank, go into one of those offers and just start promoting all 20 of those emails that they have. And then just keep using them over and over and over again. And then once you send out all 20 of those emails, you can start to repurpose those same emails by changing them up a little bit and doing, different things to them. Okay. That will make it very effective. So those are going to be the 3 ways that you are going to be able to send out an email in the mailing system. All right. Now I'm just taking you guys over here. If you go to one of these emails, this is one of the emails what it would look like in the mailing system. I mean, at ClickBank. Okay, if you go to the e-business e-marketing section, like I was telling you to, those free offers have free pre-written emails. Okay, so you would just simply grab one of those emails. Here's the subject line for one, and then you come down here and you just grab the body of text and then you come down here, you put your name or management, whichever one. And here's a clickable link, guys. Click here now. You turn this into a clickable link. And this link goes to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, it's very easy to do, guys, and it's very, very effective if done correctly. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mailing system. We did come here last night and we sent out some emails last night, and I wanted to go ahead and check the results from that and see how we did. All right, so let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. All right, today is October the 6th. As you can see, is October the 6th right here. What I like to do is the last 30 days of this challenge. That way you can kind of see the algorithm and see how things are working out, okay? And see what to expect if you guys were to get started, all right? So if you come down here, this is going to be the algorithm for the last 30 days, guys. As you can see, everything, a lot of these sales have been pretty consistent. What I've seen is sales back to back, where we missed a day not getting a sale. We got sales back to back. We missed another day. We got sales back to back. And then right here, we went 2 days without a sale. Okay. But then check this out. Some magical happened, right? We went 4 days in a row getting a sale. Okay, that's the first time that that's happened during this video series in the 5th month. Okay, now we did go 3 days without getting a sale, but after that third day, we came back on the fourth day and got a sale right here. We missed a day, and then we came back, guys, and got another 4 days in a row. Okay, we missed a day. We came back and got another 4 days in a row. All right. And then we missed a day as of today. Okay. So this right here is a good sign because it just lets me know that the algorithm is changing. And this is what I mean by putting in the work, coming in every day and sending out your emails. All right. I'm just going to be upfront with you guys. You have to come in and send out emails every single day in order for this thing to work correctly for you. Okay. You're not going to be able to come in, send out an email. Oh, it doesn't work. I'll try it again a few days and then send out another email. It just doesn't work that way, guys. You got to stay committed and you got to stick through this thing even when it's not working. Okay. Now, I've seen results happen as fast as a week. I've seen results happen as fast as 2 days, or 2 or 3 days. Okay. Now I've also seen results that didn't pop off till a few weeks or a month to get a sale. Okay. Now, that's going to be just depending on how many accounts that you have. Now, I've noticed things take off for me during this video series in month 3 and month 4 is when things actually started to become very consistent as far as when we're getting sales and how many days that we're going without a sale. Okay. So this right here is going to be a new algorithm, guys. This means that since we're getting 4 sales in a row, that means we're getting closer to 5 sales in a row. Okay. Now after 5, you get 6 sales in a row, and you know what happens after that, right? We start getting sales every single day, and then what happens after that? Our daily our daily commissions start rising. Okay, you're going to start seeing those $40 days, $60 days every single day, $80 days, and then $100 days. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. And show you guys how easy it is to earn income with this mailing system. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I like them so much, why I love them so much, right, is because we get paid every Friday. Okay, every Friday, I do have direct deposit. They have check as well, or however you want to get paid. But me, I like direct deposit, so that way I can get it right away. So every Friday, I have commissions coming in from ClickBank from this offer that we are promoting. Okay, which is pretty cool. So it hits my account on Friday. And then next Friday, I will get another check coming out as well. So not only does it works, it pays as well. Okay, so I just wanted to put that out there, guys. If you're someone who's looking for extra income, maybe to pay a few bills, maybe keep the lights on, help with groceries, maybe help with the rent or mortgage, or maybe even help with your car payment. This is going to be the extra income that you'll be able to use. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff. Okay, how easy it is to send out an email, and then also show you the results from the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm, see how it would look like for you if you were to get started. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here. I did leave a link below this video. So if you go down here to the More tab, click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the My Legion Secret landing page. Check this out, guys. You're just gonna come down here. Look at all the testimonials that people are sending in. Okay, because this system works. Okay, there are tons of people making money with this system. Okay, I'm not the only one earning income. There's other people doing it as well. Okay, there's lots of testimonials here. Just come check it out. Check it out for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Just look at these testimonials, and you'll see other people making money. Go ahead and click on right here where it says join MLGS now. Join that link, okay? And then there's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, guys, on this. I've been paying this for a few years, guys, so take my word for it that this stuff does work, and I'm in profit, guys, all right? So just wanted to share that with you guys, and to let you know how to get started and how easy it is to get started today. But I send my emails out. Like I said, you can come in every single day, every 24 hours, and send out an email. So, like I said, myself, I like to send my emails out in the evening. So I've sent my emails out last night. So we came and talked about them today. As you can see, these are the results. Unfortunately, we did not get a sale today, but we did get a sale the last 4 days in a row. Okay, so I'm curious to see what's going to happen tomorrow and to see if we're going to get another sale. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys that and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.